Hey, this is Tim here with Expert Power Wash. Just pulled off a skid off his trailer. He's had this for about 6 months. Picked up this beautiful brand new F250 8-foot bed, 4-door. Just got it loaded up in his truck. Man, this thing looks great. It's one of the best looking skid and truck combinations that we've had the opportunity to work on in a long time. 6.5-foot skid. He's going to use the front there for storage. This thing looks great. Peak pressure washing right here in Portland, Oregon. Dan, you ready to get this thing swapped out?
I am so excited. This is a really big day. Been looking forward to this for a long time.
This thing's gonna look great.